was trying to be funny. Our content monitors have determined that your behavior at Roblox has been in violation of our terms of use. It's not clickbait. It's literally... how is that offensive? How is that also offensive? Spam? How is offensive item V? What? Offensive? How is that offensive? It's just the same thing. It's literally a joke. They could just reset and never get back in the set.